He looked at you like you were his whole world. But when you asked if he was okay, he smiled, said he was fine, and changed the subject. Later, you found out he'd written you poems he never shared, saved photos you never knew he took, loved you in silence. Some people love like that, quietly, completely, secretly. And in astrology, a few signs are masters at it. They crave connection, but hide their hearts behind laughter, logic, or distraction. In this video, we're uncovering the 3 zodiac signs that love the deepest, but hide it the best. Not with words, but with presence. Not loudly, but fully. We start with the softest whisper and end with the loudest silence. Let's begin. Number 3, Gemini, the hidden romantic. Geminis speak in circles, ask questions, and keep things light. But underneath the playfulness is a heart searching for someone who truly listens. They're afraid of being misunderstood. So they stay one step ahead, changing the subject, laughing at their own vulnerability. But when a Gemini loves you, it's in the way they remember everything you said, in the way they keep talking, because silence feels too close to confession. They hide their love behind words, but it's always there, waiting to be heard. Number 2, Taurus, the silent devotee. Taurus doesn't fall fast, and they don't fall often, but when they do, it's deep, loyal, and lasting. They show their love through presence, protection, peace. They'll cook for you, sit beside you, build a life around you, without ever needing to say the words. Taurus loves with steadiness and hides it behind simplicity. But make no mistake, when they love you, you become their home. Number 1, Pisces, the dreamer with a guarded heart. Pisces loves like a poet, without logic, without limits. They feel everything, absorb everything, and often say nothing. They'll imagine futures with you long before you even realize they're in love. They'll write you into stories, silently, delicately, endlessly. They don't speak it, because it's too big, too fragile, too sacred. They hide their love in glances, in gestures, in daydreams, not because they don't care, but because they care too much. Maybe you saw yourself in one of these signs, or maybe someone you love came to mind, someone who holds back, but feels everything. Not all love is loud. Some of the deepest hearts say the least. If this spoke to you, like, subscribe, and stay close, because there's more to uncover between the stars and beneath the silence. And before you go, check the description. 2 gifts are waiting for you. See you next time. And until then, keep looking to the stars.